Genesis of Periodic Classification, Part 2. Dear students, in previous video, you have learnt about various strategies of some scientists to classify the elements. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the most successful attempt from Dmitry Mendeleev and Lothar Meyer that is accepted worldwide for classification of elements. In 1869, Lothar Meyer developed Table of Elements. He formed table by observing atomic weights, melting point, boiling point, and obtained periodically repeated pattern. But his work was not published. With Lothar Meyer, Dmitry Mendeleev also found same observation independently. He placed elements according to his observation into table. This table was much more simplified than that of Lothar Meyer's table. Mendeleev was first to publish periodic law which states that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. This means that when elements are arranged on the basis of their atomic weights, then elements with similar properties may recur periodically. That is, from given image, you can see that all elements possessing same color have recurring properties. Let us understand the formation of periodic table from Mendeleev's observation. Mendeleev arranged elements in horizontal rows and vertical columns in a table. He followed increasing order of atomic weight of elements. He placed elements with similar properties into vertical columns called group. While placing elements, he realized that if atomic weights are strictly followed for classification, some elements do not get proper position in his table. For example, iodine has lower atomic weight less than tellurium. Then he ignored the atomic weights and continued to place the elements of similar properties into same group. That is, iodine is placed with chlorine, bromine, etc. as it shows similarity with chlorine and bromine. While placing the elements in similar groups, he left vacant spaces between the elements in table and suggested the existence of some undiscovered elements. He predicted that properties of these elements show similarities with existing elements. Likewise, he named these elements as Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. When gallium and germanium were discovered, they showed similarity with Mendeleev's prediction. For example, predicted atomic weight of Eka aluminium was 68 and atomic weight of gallium was found as 70. You can see here that both the atomic weights are approximately same. Similarly, atomic weight of Eka silicon was predicted to be 72 and atomic weight of germanium was found to be 72.6. The following table shows the other properties of gallium and germanium which are similar to their predicted values. I hope by this video you all must understand about various attempts of classifications and got idea about Mendeleev's periodic table.